In this third example of solving equations using an algebraic method, we have 2 cosine 3x minus 15 equals 1, and we have a domain in degrees from 0 to 360. Let's go with what if we divide both sides by 2, which seems to be the case every time, but it's not, it just happens that way in these examples. We have cosine of 3x minus 15 equals a half. Now at this point here, what we have to think about is that the cosine of something, the cosine of an angle, is a half. Well, what do we know? We know that the cosine of 60 degrees equals a half. In other words, 3x minus 15 must be 6 degrees. This leads us to 3x equals 75, so x must be 25 degrees as a solution. But our domain is from 0 to 360, so have we got all the solutions? Let's have a look again at our unit circle. If we look at the unit circle, we're looking for the places where the cosine is a positive answer. Well, we've got 2 places. Cosine 60 is a half, and it's in the first quadrant, positive. Whoa, interesting. Where else is the cosine positive? In the fourth quarter. So we've got first quadrant 60 degrees, so that we know is 60. That's the thing that we definitely must know. And then we've also got this angle here. Well, looking at what we've got in the circle there, this is 360 minus 60, which is 300 degrees. So an alternate answer down here is that 3x minus 15 could also equal 300 degrees. So this now gives us that 3x is 315 and x equals 315 divided by 3, which is 105 degrees. And that's it. We're done. Again, nice and straightforward. Doesn't look too bad, but you have to just think about all the possible solutions. We're looking here at where does cosine 60 equal a half. So using a graph, we know that cosine 60 is a half right there. But we're also looking at any other place where we get half, positive half, and it's there, look. So you can either use the first quadrant of 60, or looking at the symmetry of the graph, the graph will give you a second place where the cosine is a half, and that is the cosine of 300 is also a half. And then similarly, we'll just go back through and do what we did before. So either 3x minus 15 is 60, or 3x minus 15 is 300. And as you can see from the graph and from the unit circle, there are only 2 possible solutions. Okay, done.